What it's like staying for a day here in Alola. I can say na sobrang fun, maganda yung experience ko dito so far. And masasabi ko, place is good, especially if you love some other activities like diving, island hopping din. Then, di ko masabing ganun kamahal yung mga yung mga bilihin, yung mga food dito. But you can you can search to if you prepare for more budget friendly mga food.